family stories and a journey of dreams. My family consisting of 3 members: father, mother, and me. My father is a talented architect. He is always busy with his work. Every day, my father creates amazing designs to build beautiful houses and buildings. My mother is a doctor in the medical field. Her work environment is dynamic and busy. My mother is always occupied with taking care of patients' health. As for me, I'm currently in the 5th grade. I study various subjects, including math, Vietnamese, and English. Every morning, I go to school with my friends. I enjoy learning English because it is fascinating. I learn how to read, write, and listen in English. I also have a passion for drawing and playing musical instruments. One day, I aspire to become an artist and create beautiful artworks. Although each of us in my family has different occupations, we always gather together on weekends. We go to watch movies, go for outings, and have dinners together. Family is where I find love, support, and encouragement. Together, we strive to become better individuals and hope for a bright and successful future.